This powder right here by Huda Beauty, Ube Birthday Cake, it's an electric lilac, is my new favorite setting powder. No exaggeration, get ready to be amazed. Let's get into the video. All right, friend, I'm so excited to try this powder because if you do not know or you're new to my channel, first of all, I want you to subscribe because it's the most beautiful community here on YouTube. We talk about all things Jesus, beauty, hair, lifestyle, all of the girly stuff. But I was so excited about this powder coming out, and this is the Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder by Huda Beauty. This is the packaging, and this is the name, which is Ube Birthday Cake. And it's purple, you all. It's purple. You've probably heard about this powder all over the internet, but it just came out and I'm just so excited to try it on. So I didn't even know I was gonna have this beautiful powder in my hands today, but I went out in a snowstorm with my husband because I wanted to get some air and also go to Sephora. I wanted to go there. And I went in there and ended up coming out with this. And I am so happy because it's just one of those unexpected, wonderful things that happen in a day. All right, so I have not opened this at all. I wanted to wait until I was sitting here with you. Ah! Okay. I love Huda Beauty setting powders. I have so many shades. Hold on, let me show you. Right here, I have kunafa, and then I have banana bread, and then I have cinnamon bun, and cherry blossom, and I love them because they are blurring. Oh, the new packaging. This is the new packaging for the product, and look at this powder. I am so excited. This is how much makeup excites me, okay? And I'm talking about good makeup that I know is just gonna look flawless, like a filter. That's what these powders already do. What do you guys think about the new logo? I think it's cute. How do you open this one? So you twist off the top, just like the other one. And here is how it looks before you open it. Do I take this black part off? Oh, wait, is that the net? Can you see that this is my first time using this? Oh, don't be confused like me. There's a little bitty tab in here, and I hope I can grip it with my nail. Hold on, let me move my mirror over so you can really see what I'm doing over here. Is that better? Okay, so we're going to take this, peel this off. Okay, it's really not that hard to do, you all. It's just, you know, if you have long nails. Ooh! I'm gonna calm down and I'm gonna show you guys how beautiful this powder is. Do you see how pretty this is? Now, this is the purple powder. I feel like it's really gonna look good on my skin tone. This one right here, I'm gonna open this one. This one's the cherry blossom. This is the pink powder. Can you see in there? Let me try to get some out. This is the pink powder. So the pink is a lot lighter than this purple. So that's why I'm thinking this is really gonna look good on my warmer skin tone. It's a warmer color for my warmer complexion. So I'm excited about that. I did love the cherry blossom on me as well. And if you have not watched that video, check that out because my makeup on that video is still one of my favorite looks to this day. And I'm gonna try to repeat it with this one. They describe this color as electric lilac, and it's a super unique shade and works best on medium to tan skin with golden undertones. And by looking at this picture, it looks really promising because she's close to my skin complexion on here, I believe. Let me get a little closer so you can see. So that's exciting. It said this powder will lock in your look for hours. All day wear, airbrush finish, and ultra brightening. Multi-purpose loose powder for baking and setting, non-cakey, does not crease, absorbs excess shine and oil, no flashback, makeup stays in place all day, dermatologist tested, suitable for all skin types, and non-comedogenic. All of the things that I love so much. All right, so let's get into this look. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my concealer. I'm gonna use two concealers, one that's a little darker and then one that's a little lighter. So let's put the darker shade on first. This side and this side. So friend, do you get excited about new makeup? I clearly do, but it's just because I love when a product actually works. I don't mind paying more for a product that I know works. And I didn't mention this retails for $39. One thing I can tell you about that is that it lasts a long time. a long time. So you get your money's worth. And all of your makeup looks are going to be flawless. This is the product. If someone asked me, what do I need to make my makeup look flawless? I would say this setting powder. Something about it, it's blurring, it's brightening. It's just truly so good. Okay, now that I have that color on, I'm gonna go over top with a little bit of a lighter shade, just so I can have a bright eye. So when you put your concealer on, just make sure you blend it really, really well. We don't want any creasing before you put on the setting powder. And I think for the first try of this, I'm just going to use a really light hand and press it into my skin, and then we'll bake with it to see the differences. I can barely blend this right because I just want it to be over with. I want to get into the powder. All right, we've applied the concealer. Let's try on the powder. So I'm going to use my powder puff right here. And how do I want to get this out? I think I'm going to just put some into the lid. This is scented. It does have like a sweet smell to it, but I'm going to go ahead and just dip my puff into the powder, and we're going to just press it in. It's purple. I can see it. I was wondering if I was really going to be able to see the purple, and I can. Okay, so I'm just pressing that in. Oh yeah, okay, that's really pretty. Do you see how it just kind of blended so well? It doesn't look ashy. It actually looks perfect. No exaggeration. Let's press it in on the other side. This makes me so happy. You don't understand. Or maybe you do. You do understand. I'm so excited. All they had at the store were the big sizes. I'm so glad they didn't have a mini because I need the full size. And they said this was limited edition, which I hope is not going to stay like that because I hope it does so good that they keep making it. Please, please keep making it because this is beautiful. So friend, let me calm down. And I want you to see my face. This is just with the powder pressed in. We didn't bake. This is if you want to just go out really quick, do your makeup, set it. I mean, it's beautiful. Issues that I've had with translucent powders, they make you look a little bit ashy. But this is such a complimentary color on my complexion. I cannot express it enough. You can see here. See how it just blurred out anything. Like it looks like a filter. The color is perfect and I like it better than my cherry blossom. So if you're torn between which two to get, you're close to my complexion, get the purple. Okay, now the real fun begins. I'm going to go in and I'm gonna bake. We're gonna get the full effect of this. Now I'm going to press my puff into the powder. Ooh. I don't bake always, but when I do, I always love that I did it. So we're gonna apply this on top and just let it sit for a few moments. But I mean, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Is this my new favorite setting powder color? I think so. All right, I've let it sit for a few minutes and let's go ahead and lightly dust it off to see how this looks after baking. It's so pretty. I keep using the word pretty, gorgeous, perfect. I mean, it's everything that I would want in a powder. This is what it is. I love the color because I always like a little bit of flush of color on my skin. It brightens my eye, as you can see here, gives my face some dimension. It's blurring. It's just really flattering on my complexion. That's a big one right there. To actually show up, not look ashy, compliment my complexion. I cannot wait to do this full face. So I'm going to stop right here and put on my makeup. We're going to come back and see how this looks all together with a full face. And all right, we are back. And I am so impressed with this powder. I mean, this was my same reaction when I used that cherry blossom powder. That's how I just know that the powders are just so good. But this one is like up a notch from the cherry blossom. These powders come in a variety of colors, so you just have to know which one compliments you the best. But I am telling you, this purple powder, and it doesn't look like super purple, right? It just blends in, gives you the most beautiful like hint of color. I mean, I have nothing but good things to say about it. I'm looking up close and it has blurred my under eye so well. I just feel like I need to go somewhere right now. Where are we going, friend? Where are we going? And this powder definitely has hints of pink that neutralize and brighten your under eye. I mean, I'm literally so amazed. I was not even expecting it to be this good, to be honest. When I first saw it, I was like, whoa, that's really, really purple. And I did question how that would look on my complexion. And I mean, this is a very good powder. If you're on the fence about buying it, I say run, don't walk, because this probably is flying off the shelves as we speak, and it should be. I cannot get over the rosiness. So if you want rosiness, brightening power, and a blurring effect, this is the perfect powder for you. It's going to be the perfect addition to your makeup collection. Trust me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Before you go, don't forget to give it a like. And if you're not already a part of this amazing community, I'd love for you to subscribe. I've also created a makeup course specifically for beginners, along with an ebook, Makeup Made Easy, designed to help you master the basics and elevate your look. You can find the link in the description below. And as always, I love you, Jesus loves you, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, friend.